Welcome back to part 2 of our Prague tour. We are now stepping onto the Charles Bridge, a masterpiece of medieval engineering that has stood since 1357. As we walk, we're flanked by 30 statues of saints, each with its own story. The bridge is like an open-air gallery of Baroque art. This is the statue of St. John of Nepomuk. Legend says that touching the base will bring you good luck and ensure your return to Prague. From here, the views of the river are unmatched. You can see the city stretching out in both directions along the water's edge. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Ahead of us lies Mala Strana, or the Lesser Town, characterized by its clusters of terracotta roofs and hidden gardens. This district feels like a step back in time. It's quieter here, with narrow lanes that lead toward the grandeur of St. Nicholas Church. That ends part 2. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell for more. Join us in part 3 as we climb to the castle.